In this video, I'll show you how to create a private match in Rainbow Six Mobile. All you have to do is launch the game and then tap on the settings wheel icon in the top left corner or right corner, sorry, and then scroll through the options and select private match. At this point, all you have to do is read through all this and then select enter private lobby. You can tap on that, and then from here you can invite players. So you can invite your friends or recently met players. So to do that, simply tap on the plus icon, and then if you have a friend, you can simply send the invite to them, and then once they accept the invite, they will join. Or you can simply choose recent players. If you have played different games with recent players, you can simply find them here and then simply invite them to your lobby. And once you invite them to your lobby, ensure that you have at least 6 players so that you can begin the match. So once you invite them to the lobby, you can tap on the map icon here and then choose the game mode that you'd like to play. So we can tap on this drop arrow and then choose the game mode that you'd like. So let's say team deathmatch. And then you can choose the map that you want. And then also you can choose the number of rounds. You can customize the number of rounds. You can customize each and everything that are currently available here. Once you're done, simply tap on save changes. Now once you save changes, you can simply now start and you can now play your private match with your friends or any other players. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.